Hello friends, in today's video I show you how to convert and sell your dog's token on Telegram wallet. For that you need to follow some steps to consider. First, find a suitable exchange. For that you can research, look for cryptocurrency exchange that support the dog's token. Popular options include Binance, KuCoin, PancakeSwap and others. Then check fees. Compare the fees charged by different exchanges to find the most cost-effective option. In the second step, transfer dog to the exchange. Open wallet. Launch your Telegram wallet app. Then select dogs. Tap on the dogs token icon to view your balance. Then send. Choose the send option. Then enter exchange address. Input the deposit address for dogs on your chosen exchange. Then confirm. Review the details and confirm the transaction. In the third step, convert to desired cryptocurrency. Find trading pair. On the exchange, search for the trading pair of dogs with your desired cryptocurrency, like dogs BTC, dogs ETH. Place order. Select the sell option and enter the amount of dogs you want to sell. Then confirm. Review the order detail and confirm the trade. In the fourth step, withdraw desired cryptocurrency. Select withdrawal. Go to your exchange wallet and choose the withdrawal option. In the second step, enter wallet address. Input the address of your external wallet where you want to receive the fund. Then confirm. Review the details and confirm the withdrawals. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.